And we'll say so long to Carly as well as we ask you to get your pencils and papers ready. We got a pop math quiz for you. Take a look at these guys on the water. These jumps are 6 feet off the water. They're 14 feet wide. They're 21 feet long. The boat speed is going to start picking up. They've got a lot of glare off this jump as the sun starts going down. Watch the guy in the middle. He's going to try to do a spin with a crisscross underneath him. There's so little. And how about this? His driver wears the cloak of invisibility. How about a great big reception for Blake Luttrell on the flyboard. And now, over here on your left, we have a 3-story human pyramid.